Say hello to Commons at Sawmill, a cozy student haven packed with essentials, campus proximity, and city access, all in the picturesque vibes of Flagstaff. Choose from suite studios and spacious 2- and 4-bedroom apartments with your own room and bathroom, comfy beds, sleek study corner, walk-in closets, TV, air conditioning, and a modern appliance package for extra comfort. In-unit laundry makes wash days a breeze, and water, electricity, and gas are all included in rent. Work hard in the study lounge, stay active in the fitness center, and wind down with sunset views in the courtyard or catch up with friends in the 24-hour clubhouse. With reliable maintenance for convenience, weekly residence events to mingle, and packaged lockers plus dedicated parking available for extra security, life is effortless here. And look, Northern Arizona University is just moments away on foot. With the Lone Tree and University North bus stops plus the Flagstaff Amtrak nearby, city access is seamless. So go on, secure your life in Commons at Sawmill Flagstaff for your breezy uni chapter via amberstudent.com today.